All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. We got another epic video for you guys. So we got both the bikes, the 1199 and the V2 outside, and we're gonna do a nice little video comparing which bike looks better and which bike sounds better. So first off, all the bikes are off. Let's go ahead and talk about which bikes look better. Now I gotta be 100% honest. Stock for stock, if the V2 was stock and if the 1199 was stock, which it is, I would say the 1199 wins all day long. We've got the Termies on there, we've got the Marchesini wheels, we've got carbon fiber parts from factory, looking absolutely beautiful. We got the Olean suspension, plus we've got this magnificent tricolore paint scheme. So this bike is absolutely gorgeous, but I've made a bunch of changes to the V2. I've changed the exhaust, which is one of the biggest differences when it comes on to looks. This exhaust has completely transformed the look of this bike. A lot of people don't even know this is a V2 unless they actually know Ducatis and know the differences. Most people don't know this is a V2 because of the exhaust. I also put on a clear clutch cover. I also added this nice little Ducati Corse decal. I also added I added a bunch of stuff. Added a bunch of stuff that makes the bike look great. But, like I said, I'm gonna be completely honest. Apart from the exhaust, I gotta say, the 1199 is winning. It's still winning. It's that paint scheme, man. That tricolor paint scheme is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Can't get over. Look at that bad boy. Whew, it's such a beautiful bike. Now, if you guys don't know, my actual dream bike is a Ducati Panigale V4 Speciale, which has the same tricolore paint scheme. But anyways, aesthetically, which bike looks better? The V2 does look great. I love it. I love everything that I've done to it, but the 1199 is just beautiful. The Marchesini wheels, the Olean suspension, the Termi exhaust, and that color scheme just tips it over the edge. So 1 point for the 1199. So second test we're gonna do, or second comparison, is the sound. Which of these two bikes sound the best? Okay. So first off, let's start the 1199. It is the older brother. So let's go ahead and give it its right and privilege. We're gonna start it up first. Hear how it sounds. Okay, so let me just say this. The video does not do it justice. I'm gonna go ahead and say that right now. This bike is extremely, it's so bassy, it's so deep. That's insane. It's literally like vibrating. You can feel it vibrating your chest. That's how deep it is. That's crazy. This bike is, it sounds beautiful, man. I mean, that's the sound that I fell in love with when it comes on to Ducatis. Like, that's the sound that I really fell in love with. I like the V4s and the V2s too, but the 1299s and the 1199, they just have that distinctive sound. You can hear it from a mile away. You know that it's you know it's a Ducati coming, man. That's a beautiful, beautiful sound coming from this Terminione exhaust. All right, moving over to the V2, baby, with the Van Diemen exhaust. Okay, now if you guys have been following the channel for a little while, you know that this has actually been one of my favorite modifications. I keep talking about it in almost all the videos because it completely transformed this motorcycle. So we're gonna go ahead and give this bike a cold start. Ooh, low battery. Okay, we're gonna give this bike a cold start and then let you guys be the judge of who or which bike sounds the best, okay? Okay, so there you have it. There's both bikes, V2 and 1199, one with the Termi, one with the Van Diemen. Now, my personal opinion, personally, I think the V2 is gonna win this battle. This exhaust system sounds crazy. Now, I wanted, what I wish I could do is kind of have you guys standing, you know, at a track or something, and you can hear me guys flying by at high RPMs, because this bike sounds insane at those high RPMs. I've had guys at the track tell me this bike sounds ridiculous. But anyways, the Terminione still sounds great. Don't get me wrong, but I think this Van Diemen has completely, it shocked me. It really did shock me. And I'm surprised that it's such a affordable exhaust system that sounds so good. Now, like I said before, a stock V2 versus the 1199. Now, obviously, everybody knows the 1199 would win, because if you guys know, the stock V2 has a vacuum cleaner for an exhaust. But with this bad boy, it's definitely changed the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little short video, something cool, something fun. Let me know what you guys think in the description, if you agree with me or if you disagree with me. No harm, no foul. Everybody's free to share their own opinion. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, guys, I keep forgetting. Don't forget, I do officially have a Patreon. So if you guys are interested, it'll be the first link in the description. I am going to announce something very, very special in the coming videos, because I plan on doing a giveaway here very shortly. So if you guys are interested in entering to win something special, then go to my Patreon, first link in the description, and enter. and you guys will be automatically entered to win a special giveaway. Also, you'll get behind the scenes content. You'll get exclusive videos that I do not post on YouTube. And yeah, be a part of the Patreon family on Dream Bigger Motor, baby. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.